Hello, in the last couple of lectures, we made the C++ and Python executables. To get these executables, we carried out two important steps. For the C++ files, we edited the cmakelist.txt file and executed the catkinmake command. And for the Python files, we provided the interpreter path and converted the file to an executable using the chmod command. As a result of this, we have the hello cppe and hello fe.py executables made using C++ and Python respectively. And now it is the time to run these executables. In ROS, to run any executable, we use the ROS-run command. This command takes two arguments. The first argument is the name of the package and the second argument is the name of the executable. In our case, the package name is myfirstp and the executables are hello cppe and hello fe.py. Let us firstly run the C++ executable and see the output. And as we can see, this command has failed. Now let us try to run the Python executable. And again, this command has failed. So what's going on here? Can you take a guess? Let me give you a hint. We are getting this error because ROS does not know that these executables exist or not. And to fix this, we need to run the setup.bash file from the devel directory. Note that we need to run this file every time we create a new executable or open a new terminal. We will run the setup.bash file using the source command. And now we will execute the C++ and Python executables one by one. And as you can see that we are getting the correct output. Note here that we are supposed to run this setup.bash file every time we create a new executable or open a new terminal. And this is a very long command to type and execute. If we do not want to type this long command, there is a clever hack. For this, navigate inside the home directory and open up the .bashrc file. Here in the last line, we will add an alias. This means that every time we execute the sdsb command in a terminal, this command is going to be executed. Here, sdsb is an abbreviation for source devel/setup.bash, and you can create any other creative aliases if you want. For the terminal to recognize this alias, we will close and reopen the terminal. Here, we will run the sdsb command and then execute the ROS-run command. As you can see, the alias is now working and we are getting the correct output. And from now onwards, we will use the sdsb alias for running the setup.bash file. This finishes the lecture. In the next lecture, we are going to talk about the type completion in Linux and Unix timestamp. These topics are not ROS specific, rather Linux specific, and we are going to need those in this course. If you already know these things, you can skip the next lecture and proceed to the next section. Thank you.